Hi friends, today I would like to share with you that I had shared some tip of improving on the health regarding cancer to one of my friend, and she gave me such a great news that she's feeling much better. The reports are coming normal. So I would like to share with you how to really use the switch words and also manifest your desires all together in today's video session. So this is Roop Lakhani. I would like to again guide you regarding these tips. Uh, First of all, very important that we should know what we need to desire for or what we would like to manifest. When we give a single pointed focus on it, we definitely receive that thing. Why? When we want to eat pizza, we go to a pizza joint, we just eat pizza, and it's so easy to just get your desires done. So why not about something regarding health? Why not regarding something regarding prosperity? Why not regarding fulfilling conditions? It's possible, right? So first thing, have an intention. Have such a great intention. This is what I want to achieve, and make sure there's a burning desire after it that you really wish to desire. Of course, your belief and your actions will also take you through along with the switch words and the energy balancing number. So how do you manifest your desire? First of all, you need to be relaxed. You can't be stressed. You can't be obsessive about your thing. You need to be planful. You need to prioritize. So once you have done all these steps, then once you have relaxed, then you can chant this switch words. The switch words are the simple English words, just like mantra. So when you keep repeating, when you keep chanting it, it changes, it switches the energy. That's how they are switch words. I'm so much thankful to the information which I have got from various places, from the books, from the internet, from certain Facebook, from certain Pinterest, and many other places. I'm thankful to all those people who are spreading this good knowledge there. And I'm also liking to share few names like James Mangan, Cat Miller, Gregory Grabovoi, and many more. I'm so much thankful to you. I'm so much thankful even to Louis Hay. Today I've got a very sad news that she has passed away. Anyway, let us work onto our energetic vibrations, and the vibrations are when we create positivity in our own world. How do we create positivity? We have to create positivity only with awareness, how to find out, identify where is the negativity and remove that. Okay, so by being more and more positive, we create a higher vibration, and with those higher vibration we can really manifest our desires. Simple as that. So let's start chanting once you have really relaxed and really been not stressed or getting disturbed with this 3 switch phrase, which can really allow you to be receiving what you want. Okay, and those words are: divine magic begin now, divine magic begin now, divine magic begin now. Another word is divine magic add now, divine magic add now, divine magic add now. And the third switch phrase is divine magic reach now, divine magic reach now, divine magic reach now. Now whatever way you've understood, just believe this powerful words will really make you go through what you want and manifest what you want. So all the best, take care.